This is the Gerber Genuine 99-660 tank to bolt kit. This kit does fit the 1.6 GPF 28-895 and the dual flush 28-995, as well as multiple other models for Gerber. Now the tank will come, of course, with the tank to bolt gasket, the 2 bolts, these little rubber channel pieces that can prevent the tank from rocking, and 4 of these white plastic wing nuts. It will also come with these 2 rubber seals or washers for the bolts. Go on just like that. Now with some measurements of the gasket, measuring from here, see it measures right at about 3 inches. And then the outside diameter here measures right at about 4 inches. Once again, this is the Gerber Genuine 99-660 tank to bolt kit.